In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Patrick Star from the SpongeBob cartoon. And I'll even give you a tip on how you can color this drawing at the end of the video. So stay until the end because today's content is awesome. Hey there artists, I'm Ledy, and today we're going to draw Patrick Star. I'll show you a few lines, and all you've got to do is copy them to build up your drawing. And don't forget to drop a like, it really helps the channel out a lot. Let's start by drawing the eyes. Now comes the mouth. Let's make the dimples. Then the eyebrows. And we can draw the head. Next, the chest. Now let's draw the arms. We can already draw the waist. Draw the shorts. And let's draw the legs. Add some details. Let's color the spots. The skin. The shorts. And don't forget, you can request a drawing right here in the comments. Your likes and subscriptions go a long way in helping the channel grow, and they inspire me to keep creating even more videos for you. Thank you so much for your amazing support. That's it for now. Catch you in the next video.